Hi guys, so today we're gonna be talking about the whole Jhene Aiko and Big Sean and DotThegenius love triangle saga that has been going on in social media. So back a few months ago, DotThegenius actually tweeted and Instagram a picture of him and Aiko, wishing her happy birthday, telling her he loves her and he wants to embark on this journey with her. And I'll insert a picture right here of that picture that I saw on Instagram. Mind you, nobody knew that Jhene Aiko was freaking married. Nobody knew. So everybody was like, um, hold up. What is this? Later, we found out that they have been married for a little, almost a year when he Instagram and tweeted out that picture. Fast forward a few months later, in about ending of April, beginning of May, the blogs actually got a blind item saying that Jhene Aiko was actually in a love triangle with another rapper. Nobody knew who the rapper was, but sooner or later people started putting in one and two together and realizing it was Big Sean because they had a new album out together and they were about to go on tour. So everybody figured out the love triangle that was going on was with Jhene Aiko, Big Sean, and DotThegenius. So fast forward a few more months now, Big Sean and Jhene Aiko actually went on tour together, and that's when that whole big kiss on stage happened, and that's when they actually fell in love with each other, and there was no turning back. So August 11th, I think today is. Let me look. Today's date is August 19th was when Jhene Aiko actually filed for divorce. Mind you, all the love triangle saga mess have been going on in social media. She was still married to DotThegenius. While the whole kiss with Big Sean on stage happened, she was still married. So people were going in on her on social media, calling her all types of whore bitches, calling her out her name and all this stuff. At first glance, people was actually saying it was a publicity stunt for them to sell more copies of their new album that they have out together and all this stuff. But now we actually know, like, they're really digging each other. They're really into each other. They're actually wearing t-shirts with each other's face on it. So, and you can see Jhene Aiko wearing Big Sean's face and having the middle finger up saying fuck y'all. So you know it's the real deal Holyfield when somebody don't give a fuck anymore and they're actually married, they're in love, so they don't give a fuck. So yeah, that's what it is. So the part that I want to talk about is people that actually are going in on this girl on social media, calling her out her name, calling her all type of whore, bitches, slut, dog, all sort of stuff. Funny thing is, this is a big fucking double standard. This is a stereotype. Any woman that's in the music or entertainment industry, they're looked down upon if they do something that is not womanly like or what people expect in today's society. But the thing is, a rapper can go around fucking 5, 15, 10 bitches, hopping, just flinging their dick all over the world, and nobody says anything about it. They just wanna be like, oh, okay, he's the boss. That nigga is a real OG. He's fucking all the bitches. He got all the bitches. But when a woman actually is in a relationship with somebody that she's unhappy with, and then she finds somebody that she actually loves and is happy with, people want to call her out her name. That's some real stereotypical hypocrisy, just double standard bullshit that we have in today's society. And that will never change because people are gonna expect a certain approach, or women to have a certain approach to relationship, whether you're in the entertainment industry or not. But I commend her for sticking up for what she know, what she believe in, sticking up for the man that she loves, and saying fuck y'all, because I don't give a fuck. I love Big Sean, and it is what it is. Nobody can change that, and she definitely can change who she fell in love with, even though she was probably married. Like, she can't, no one can change who they fall in love with. That's the thing. So yeah, I want to see what you guys think about this. I want you guys to leave your comments in the comment section below and tell me, guys, if you think they have been smashing way before they started working on their album together and going on tour, or did they just fall in love on tour because they were closer together and they were making music constantly. And you know, when you're an artist, when you're a creative person, it's easier for you to fall in love with somebody that is also creative just like you. So tell me what you guys think, if they were smashing way before the album, and they were just hiding it, or they fell in love during the tour and making the album. Just tell me, guys, what y'all think. But I love that girl. She makes really good music. I can appreciate her standing up for what she believes in and the man that she loves. Do you, boo? That's all I gotta say. Do fucking you. Alright, I'm out of here. Deuce.